Hello class 2nd students, this is your English first book, and in last class I have told you to learn about vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels which are, tell me what are 5 vowels? Yes, you are right, there are 5 vowels which are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D, E, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Words are made up of vowels and consonants. Then the words given below are in alphabetical order. So they are given in alphabetical order, which is B for bat, D for dog, E for elephant, H for horse. Now this is your first exercise. Write these words in alphabetical order. You have to write these words in alphabetical order. So your first word is horse, cow, fish, tiger, elephant. You have to see every first letter, which is H, C, F, T, and E. Which letter comes first? Yes, it is cow. First we will write cow. Now second letter is, yes, it is elephant. E for elephant. Third is fish. F for fish. Fourth is horse, and last one is tiger. You have to write it like this in a good handwriting and in a cursive handwriting. Now you see second, ink, table, zip, apple, box. Which letter comes first? I for ink, T for table, Z for zip, A for apple, or B for box? Yes, first it is A for apple. After that, B for box. I for ink. Then T for table, and last is 5 for Z for zip. You will write like this. First you will write apple, then B for box, then I for ink, T for table, and last Z for zip. Now you see your last third, cup, C for cup, D for dish, Q for queen, L for lock, and Y for yak. Which come first? Which letter? It is, yes, C for cup. After that, yes, D for dish. Then L for lock. Then Q for queen, and last Y for yak. Again you have to write in like this. First you will write C for cup, then D for dish, then L for lock, Q for queen, and Y for yak. After that, this is fourth, E for egg, L for line, B for box, O for ox, W for watch. Which letter comes first? Yes, B for box. After that, E for egg, L for loin, O for ox, and last W for watch. Again write it like this. B for box, E for egg, L for line, O for X, and W for watch. Now your fifth is P for pen, B for bag, D for doll, C for cat, and R for rat. Then first you will write which word will come first. It is B for bag, then C for cat, D for doll, then P for pan, and R for rat, like this. Okay, complete your exercise and learn it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.